Here I have Huawei Honor 20i, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly, you'll have to turn it off by holding power key, then tap power off, and after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time, like that. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding volume up. And that's how you enter recovery mode. Here at the recovery mode, you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select. You have such options as restart, clear data, update mode, or save mode. If you want to exit this mode, just select an option restart, and after that your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.